Well, at last the weather has improved enough to want to bring the drone out. There shouldn't be any rain today, well, certainly not this morning anyway. It's been a while since I've thought about getting it up due to the inclement weather and the constant rain. It didn't seem like a good idea at the time. However, this is really a beautiful location for anyone who likes taking pictures. This, of course, is the Hinze Dam Catchment area. It's a conservation area, of course, a lot of water, a lot of hills, and quite an extensive size. There's some beautiful pictures to be taken from both the air and the ground, and I'd recommend it to anyone who's within driving distance or passing by this way. But I hope you enjoy some of the footage. It's only going to be a brief video, but with a few still shots in it, but it's a good indication of what awaits you when you do come here. Bye.